So hi lecturers, I'll be explaining about my TWG airline concepts, which will be mainly focused on how can I utilize the airline elements like the dimmer light and the announcement, and as well as the seating arrangement as well. And I noticed that actually TWG having diversity of teas that collected from different countries and cities, such as the matcha from Japan or the Earl Grey tea from England. And I want to utilize the window as part of the interaction and engagement within the user and my consumers, which is a connection in between the countries and the interaction in between. So in the dining situation, you will be using the window, the airline window as to show the difference, contrast, and how they feel when they're traveling through the countries, and how they will observe and see the changes through the windows. So this is the overall storyboard, which I will be explaining the overall flow. First, which the overall flow will be before they entering the store, they will acknowledge the signboard and scan the QR code for shopping experience, and they will know how does the overall flow feels like and the overall themes. So they will scan the QR code and start their journey. So during when they're entering the retail outlets, they will approach to the display counter, and when they move closer to the display counter, the announcement will release and the light will change to the blue color lights or maybe dimmer, and you will feel the coziness. So after that, after they explore the product zone, and the user could add to cart on the spot when they find out which are their flavor of teas, and they will continue their journey and the dining experience to maybe having a break after a long days, or have a tea break with their friends. So this is where the window display screen to show the changes and having a full experience of having a dining experience in airplane, I mean. So this is the overall AR looks, which I want to put the add to cart and wish list features inside the AR experience. And this is the overall space before the user that enter the TWG store. They will see the signage at the outside, and as well as when they discover which are the flavor of tea. And this is where that comes into the dining experience, which the window display screen are very near with the tables and the seat as well. So this is the Arduino, which I couldn't find where something similar with automation fragrance distributor, but somehow it might be able to done in physical, but yeah, in digital I can't really find the accessories, but I managed to do the speaker, which is the announcement part, which when the user are more approach or more closer to the sensor, will start giving the announcement like something like airline announcement. And these are the overall storyboards, which I think the lastly will be when the user are settled down, and when having a dessert or meals, they will enjoy the changes at the outside of the window. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.